This is the way we learn to read. Learn to read. Learn to read. This is the way we learn to read. So blend along with me. WH is for when. W. SL is for slam. So. SW is for swam. Sw. Blend along with me. FL is for flop. Foo. SH is for shop. Sh. DR is for drop. Dr. Blend along with me. ST is for sting. St. STR is for string. Stir. BL is for bling. Boo. Blend along with me. SW for swim. Sw. BR is for brim. Brr. Why do lights go kinda dim? Uh-oh. Blend along with me. CR is for crow. Cur. GR is for grow. Gur. GL is for glow. Gl. Blend along with me. SP is for spit. Sp. SK is for skit. Sk. TR is for trip. Tur. Blend along with me. CL is for clay. Cool. PR is for prey. Purr. SPR is for spray. Spur. Blend along with me. NG is for bang. It can also be fang. Wow, this kid can sing. La. Blend along with me. FR is for freeze. Fur. CH is for cheese. Ch. PL is for please. Pull. Please blend along with me. This is the way we learn to read. Learn to read. Learn to read. This is the way we learn to read. So blend along with me.